Okay, now the fun begins. So this is where we're pretty much going to be with everybody's website. We're going to get more into detailed customized websites for your particular website once you let us know what particular demo we're going to be modifying. But for now, there's two things that happen when we install the theme. One, you'll notice that that we need to install, well, it's recommended that we install, and I always do, the Ocean Extra. So we're just going to click on Begin Installing. We're going to click here, and we're going to, well, I guess we got to drop down, install, and hit apply. Okay, so this is just going to install a few little extra things for the Ocean theme. Okay, so that is installed now, and it says all installations and activations have been completed. Okay, so the next plugin that we're going to need is we're going to install the Ocean WP demos. Okay, so we're going to look up Ocean WP demo. Now you'll see that it says Ocean demo. Okay, we've already got the Ocean Extra installed. We want to install this one right here. And that's going to import the demo content that is over on the website at Ocean WP. You'll get to choose which demo that you're going to want. So we're going to activate that. Okay, so when I get to this right here, I don't include it. I just skip it. And now we have got the theme panel is all set up. You'll see now right here it says theme panel, and you'll see my library, scripts and styles, import and export, install demos, add-ons, and upgrade. So things are getting good now. All right. So if we were going to just build a site without installing any other demo, we could actually literally hit the Run Setup Wizard if you want. I wouldn't do that yet. We want to install a demo that we can work from. I find that personally is the easiest way to go unless you really want to get customized. But if you're doing if you're an affiliate saying you just want to do a quick one-page, two-page website, this is the way to go. Or you want to design something that's already there and then just modify the pictures, images, colors, things like that. So here's what we do. Let's just say you see the demos, and they can be found again at WP or oceanwp.org. We're going to install some demos here. So we click on install, and you're going to see right now that it says blog, one page, business, corporate, sport, e-commerce. Now, the problem is these are now just the main demos that are for free. So if you just installed this, it'd be free. We are actually going to install our pro version. That means you get a lot more choices. Now, of course, there's a cost to that, but lucky you, you've got the JV Web Partners membership, and we're going to install the pro version, which is going to give you a lot more choices here, okay? All right, so I have now installed the Demo Pro version, and you can see all the different choices that you have in just the e-commerce site alone. Before, remember, there was just 3. Well, now you've got a lot more than that. There is a ton to choose from. All of these are amazing, and the best thing is, of course, we're going to be able to modify any one of these to your liking, to your logos and colors and branding, okay? So this is a good intro to see what you get. Now, remember also, there's one more thing I wanted to mention to you, is we need to install one last plugin, and that is Forms, WP Forms. Now, for WP Forms, I thought that it was actually included in this, but it doesn't look like it is. So we're actually going to install that plugin right now. And again, I'm going to show you something really cool. So we're going to go with plugins. We're going to say add new. We're going to search for WP Forms. And we're going to install 4+ million 5-star rating. These guys are awesome. Now, a lot of people need forms for their websites, whether it's going to be for questionnaires, for contact, for sign up. There's a lot of different reasons why we use forms. I really like WP Forms is because of the security with them and the things that you can do with them. So we're going to activate the WP Forms. And that is now pretty much good to go. And with WP Forms, you're going to see that that can be upgraded. There's different things in here, which we're going to cover later on, but we're going to turn this into a pro version. So you'll have a lot more features and things that you can do with it, or what we could do for you. All right. So that was the end of this demonstration. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Now you see what we do behind the scenes for every single website. And remember, you get 2 of these. So I've got a team of people that do this all day long. I hope you can appreciate now what we do to make this happen for you. We're going to keep on adding new things. We're going to keep on finding those pro versions. As our membership grows, obviously that gives us more ability to negotiate with the people who design the plugins, to get group discounts, and to really benefit all of our clients and members at JV Web Partners, okay? So enjoy your website. I look forward to now customizing it with you, and let's rock and roll.